everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can enjoy being outside in the summer and fall without having to worry about mosquitoes. And I'm really excited because I'm actually partnering up with Avon for this video, and we'll be talking to you about their Skin So Soft Bug Guard line. And I'm beyond excited to be partnering up with them because this is actually a line that I've been using ever since I can remember. Growing up, this is what I used. I will leave the links to these products listed down below for you guys. And now I'm just going to talk about how to enjoy your time outside without worrying about bugs. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 different products from the Avon Skin So Soft Bug Guard line that I use to enjoy time outside, whether it is eating dinner outside with my family, enjoying the fire table on a crisp fall night, or simply just walking outside and taking a nice nature walk. And I am someone who has sensitive skin, so this line is great for me. It doesn't make me break out or anything. Also, it has a really distinct smell. It's not a disgusting smell, but it's not like fruity, but it just really reminds me of my childhood, especially of my grandmother who passed away 7 years ago. And I can remember my childhood standing out on the front porch and having her spray me down to ensure I wouldn't get eaten by bugs when I was out fishing on the dock. So the first product I'm going to start with is the Bug Guard sunscreen. This is definitely a helpful product to have at the beginning of the summer and throughout the summer. You don't necessarily need it through the fall, but it definitely comes in handy for the summer. And it has SPF 30. And what I really like is that on the front, the active ingredients are listed and their percentages. This is great, especially if you're like at a cookout. This comes in super handy. Next, these are both the same products, just in different forms. This one is obviously in a spray canister, and this one is in a wipe version. And this is just the Skin So Soft Bug Guard Plus Picaridin. Maybe butchering that. And they're both the same, like I said. This one has a strong repellency and also has vitamin E. It also repels against deer ticks, which deer ticks are bad. They carry Lyme's disease and stuff. So if you're like in a woodsy area, I highly recommend using this. And what's really nice is that it does come in a wipe form, so you can throw this in like a diaper bag or a purse or your backpack, or just keep them in your car in case you ever encounter a time in which you are taking a nature walk in the woods, or you're in a really grassy area for sports or anything. Then you have it with you and you don't have to carry around the bottle. I prefer the wipes because you can literally stick it in your back pocket and always have it with you. Last but not least, we have my favorite one. I did save my favorite for last, and this is the Avon Skin So Soft Bug Guard Plus Expedition Insect Repellent in Gentle Breeze with vitamin E, and it also has SPF 30 sunscreen. I like this one because it is just in a regular spray bottle, and I believe this one's the most effective out of the products I've shown. And this one claims to repel mosquitoes that may transmit West Nile virus for 8 hours, repels deer ticks that may transmit Lyme disease for 10 hours. So overall, it's great. You can spray it on in the morning and then maybe once in the late afternoon if needed. And what's great is that it is a 2-in-1 product, so it does have the sunscreen in it as well as the bug repellent, so that you don't have to double up on products. So that is how you can easily spend time outside in the summer and fall without having to worry about mosquitoes. I know that for me personally, I live in Maine in the woodsy area, and it's really hard to go outside without being swarmed by them. And I don't know if it's just me or what, but mosquitoes really like the way I taste. But with the Avon Skin So Soft Bug Guard line, I don't have to worry about any of that. I can go out and enjoy a walk if I wanted to. I can enjoy the fire table on a cool fall night. I can eat dinner outside with my family without worrying about being eaten alive and stuff like that. If you guys are Skin So Soft lovers like me, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I would love to hear. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Packer Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!